Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 1st to the 13th. First of all, we're going to talk about Hurricane Dorian. This is the latest satellite loop. You can see it right here. You can see the central dense overcast center of the eye, but banding is improving. You can see in all the quadrants. And we're getting a big blow up of thunderstorms here, and it might be trying to intensify. Okay, we're going to look now at the current position. This is as of 5 p.m. It is 22.5 north, 67.7 west. Maximum sustained winds are 85 miles per hour. And the movement is towards the northwest at 13 miles per hour. We're going to take a look at the satellite image. Let's see if I get it. Okay, this is the latest satellite image along with weather conditions here. Or the radar image with the current weather conditions, and the ridge over the Western Atlantic should direct Hurricane Dorian on a track towards Florida early next week, with the likely that into the southeast. Dorian is expected to bring heavy rain and strong winds, along with storm surge near the coast. So we're going to take a look at the various models. Okay, this is the GFS. And see, here comes Dorian down there, down in the bottom right. And then we're at Sunday. This is 96 hours and 8 p.m. on Sunday. So it'll probably be early afternoon, early morning on Monday. That's the GFS. I'm going to take a look at the European. European seems like it's really cranking up, really deepening. And it seems like it's further to the south, while the GFS is farther to the north. So there's still a lot of spread in the forecast anomalies. Now we're going to look at the GFS with surface pressure. We have a ridge here over the western Atlantic. Sorry, I'm tired. I've been doing a lot. That will steer the storm here. There's no weakness to the north to allow it to come up the coast. So it'll be building ridge over the western Atlantic. Will keep it into Florida or point south. And it's also being steered by this upper low here over the Gulf of Mexico. Elsewhere across the country, precipitation will be sparse. The exception will be the Northeast and the northern states and the Southeast. Okay, I'm going to get back to the forecast now. Talk about that. This is for September 1st to the 5th. You can see that we have a ridge forecast over the Four Corners. See right here, fairly strong ridge with above normal heights in the west. A trough is forecast over Hudson Bay, the northern states, and that gradually lifts out. You can see it right here as we get today to September 5th. Okay, the models are good agreement. So now we're going to talk about the period for September 4th to the 8th. The flow remains generally unchanged. The northern states trough is forecast to lift out across eastern Canada. You can see it here. Miles again in good agreement. Almost going to a near zone of flow. We'll have a trough here developing maybe over the northwest. But overall, for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this region here. And I'm forecasting anomalies 4 to 8 degrees above normal in the west, and you're 2 degrees above normal elsewhere. And then we have below normal temperatures here, and forecast anomalies of 2 degrees below normal are forecast for precipitation. Call for above normal precipitation here and for the southeast. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for September 9th to 13th. Most of the models are forecasting this a zone of flow across the northern states with above normal heights. But if we take a look at the European ensembles, let me see if I can get forecast and trough. Whoops. A trough in the west, ridge here over the east. But the other models are forecasting near to above normal heights across the nation with a zone of flow. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting numbers of 48 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%, and then we have below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Going back to Dorian, latest position as of 5 p.m. is 22.5 north, 67.7 west, maximum sustained winds at 85 miles per hour, and the movement is towards the northwest at 13. And then we'll take a quick look at the satellite image again. I wish I had more time to do more because I want to show you other tracks, but that's it for now, and have a good day.